everyone, my name is Blissful Melissa and today we are going to be opening up my January Kinder beauty box. This is a vegan cruelty-free beauty box full of some fun stuff. I know one of the co-founders was Ivana Lynch, who was Luna Lovegood in Harry Potter, so of course I had to purchase one, not gonna lie. So today we're going to be opening up and seeing what's inside. So first off, the box is really cute with these leaf patterns and the font is just gorgeous. And then you open it up and you get, you know, their brand and stuff. A kinder world is a more beautiful world. And then this adorable little letter that I'm assuming has all of the products in it. And then here's the first look at our products that we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. It says, welcome, ethical beauty curated with kindness. So the first thing is 100% pure coffee bean caffeine eye cream. Anti-inflammatory, caffeine-rich green tea and coffee depuffs while increasing circulation to brighten dark circles, concentrated with potent anti-aging vitamins, antioxidants, and nourishing rosehip oil to make eye area look more awake and more youthful. Truly 100% pure. It comes in this cute container, which is kind of cardboardy. Oh, and here it is. There it is, the little under eye coffee bean caffeine eye cream. Looks so nice. It's natural and vegan, of course. I feel like it has a smell. Oh, it's such a nice, like, light coffee smell. Not super coffee, but just enough. And that retail price is $26. Next, we have, I don't know if I can say this, Andalou Naturals Turmeric and C Enlightened Serum, Fruit Stem Cell Complex, Turmeric, Vitamin C, and Skin-Friendly Magnesium. Lots of words that I don't know how to say. Targeting overexposed surface cells for a lighter, tighter, brighter looking appearance and a luminous complexion. So it comes in this little box. And let's open it up. Ooh, this is a really big container. So this is what it looks like. It is a nice little serum-y. It says brightening. I wonder if this smells. It smells like oranges. Oh my gosh, the smell definitely makes it better. Not gonna lie. And that retails at $24.95. The next thing we have is Nika Organic Loose Mineral Eyeshadow, Peach Fetish, Copper Crush, Cocoa Motion. Anika eyeshadows are rich in pigment, providing vibrant and opulent colors that last all day. The purity of the ingredients means that they are perfect for even the most sensitive eyes. Anika eyeshadows are multi-purpose and can be used wet or dry as eyeshadow or liner. This retails at $22. So we did get a little one. Let's see if we can open it. So this says Cocoa Motion on it, so I'm assuming that's the color of it. There we go. Oh, it's so little. So here's the super cute little container of it. We're gonna open it up. Oh, it's all sealed. I'm not gonna take the seal off, I'm not gonna lie. So it is the color Cocoa Motion, but look how cute this is. This is kind of like the perfect size to like throw in your travel bag or something just to have with you. Then we have a nice, it's Honeybee Gardens Effortless Eyeliner Belgian Chocolate. So it kind of looks like Burt's Bees-ish. It says, enhance and define the natural beauty of your eyes with confidence. The smooth formula won't drag or pull delicate skin, glides on gently, fluidly. From the moment you open it, easy to apply for a perfect long-wearing look. This retail price is $8.99. Oh, I'm dropping everything. So here's what it looks like. And the nice Belgian chocolate, which sounds absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. That was very satisfying. So we can get, look at that. It smells like a pencil, not gonna lie. There we go though. I'll have to try that because I do enjoy brown eyeliners and stuff. I don't really wear black, so this should be right up my alley. And the very last product is this little rice facial cleanser. It softens and cleanses skin in one simple step. This sulfate-free, lightly foaming cleanser melts away dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping skin, leaving you refreshed and revitalized. How cute is this? It's so small too, but it's like perfect size. Gotta smell this too. It tells me I have a smell. That's exciting though. I'm excited to try that. Maybe I'll try this tonight. To take off my makeup and see how well it works. So we've opened the entire thing. Here it is, explaining it all. And on the back it has their social media. And so if you'd like to follow them on Instagram, it's at KINDERBOX on all their social media. And here we go. It says about the company. All Kinder Beauty Box products are guaranteed to be 100% vegan and cruelty-free. A portion of all sales will go towards benefiting our favorite animal rights and environmental causes. There you go. In their January 2019. Welcome to the very first Kinder Beauty Box. We are so happy to share this collection of products with you. Kinder Beauty is all about embracing self-love, treating ourselves and others with kindness and respect, and making the world a better place. That's why a portion of proceeds from the January box will benefit the Los Angeles County Animal Care Foundation. Also, our box is made from 100% recycled materials and is both recyclable and biodegradable. Even the ink on the box is an eco-conscious, soy-based ink. We look forward to hearing what you guys think. Be sure to share your thoughts about the box on our Instagram page at Kinder Beauty Box. So that is it. That is everything that was in my January Kinder Beauty Box. I think for a monthly subscription it's about $24 a box. So honestly, one of those products alone was $24, so you definitely get your money's worth. I'll leave a link in the description, link to their website, and also it's one of those nifty little things. So if you do purchase from using the link below, I do get a discount off of my next box, which is always nice because I love sharing these with you guys and trying out different things like a beauty subscription box. I never thought I would do anything like that. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to ding the little bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. I will see you all very soon. Bye!